Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. Yeah, if today is the first time of seeing this channel, do well by subscribing to Tarron Innovative World. Subscribe to Tarron Innovative World to learn a lot of bag making tutorials and other tutorials in handcrafts. Yes, so every week, the reason why you should subscribe to this channel is because we upload professional bag making tutorials, okay, to help you become a professional bag maker. Okay, so let's get into the detail of today's video. I'm going to be teaching you how to make a beautiful tote bag. So just let's get into the details of the video. It's very simple. So I'm using this beautiful material. If you have a question, you can drop it in the comment section. I'm using this beautiful material, and this is our belt or webbing strap. Okay, so this is our webbing strap. So let me just give you a clue. So this is what you'll be learning. You'll be learning how to make this beautiful bag. All right, so let's see. Now the measurement, this is 13 inches by 28 inches. The wideness is 13 inches, while the length is 28 inches. Okay, so you can convert that to centimeter and you know what it gives you. All right, so this is our belt. Okay, now I want this belt to round the whole bag, so this is what we're going to do. Now I've notched the center of this bag. Okay, so I want my belt to go all round, just like the bag I showed you. Do you get? So now that's what we're going to do. So what I will do is, the first thing I'm going to do is, I'm first of all going to top stitch the tip of this bag. Okay, so let's see. So I'm going to repeat the same thing to the other tip of the bag. Okay, so all right guys, so this is what we have. So the next thing I'm going to do is to fix my handle. So I'm going to, okay, you may ask, what's the length of the belt? Okay, I'm using 91 inches. You can decide to reduce it. Okay, now look at where I'm fixing the belt. My belt is starting from the, I notched the center of the bag, right? So I'll make sure that it starts from the center a little below, that's a little below the bottom, a little below where I top stitched. Okay, so I'm going to measure 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches. Can you see? So the spacing is 2.5 inches. So now we're going to sew this all through up. So if this is your first time of making bag, I would advise you you pin it down. Okay, pin it so that it doesn't move. So when I get to this point, I'll move it this way. You see that? All right, so now I need to decide how long I want this. Okay, where the handle, like what is the length of my handle? So to do that, I want to make it to be 19 inches. So look at how I'm going to measure it. Are you seeing it? So I want it to be 19 inches. Okay, so look at this. So I started from this. Can you see? From this point, from the tip here. Okay, and then I will land at the tip. You see, this is 19 inches. Okay, So you can use your pin, like I said, to pin it down, okay, so that it doesn't shift or move. So I'm measuring 2.5. See that? So if I measure this now, I'm going to get 19. Yes, so well, let me measure. So if I measure it, I'm going to get 19 inches for the handle. So just measure it the way we measured the first one. Can you see that? So just take a look. You see? Can you see? So you just do the same measurement the way I measured it the first time. So just take a look. You can see it landed on this. Okay, so can you see that? But then, so let me use my pin to just pin here. Okay. .5. Alright. So I can okay, do you see that? So I'm done with this side. So I will now continue. Remember, I've pinned here down. So literally it's just for me to sew it round. Okay, so I can now remove my pin, okay, because I used it to secure the measurements, and I'm done. So assuming I'm not using anything at the bottom, I would have just folded it in like this. But remember, see, if you're not using any like extra material to cover the bottom to style it, you could just do like this and stitch it. But then I'm not going to do that because I want to okay guys, so what am I doing next? The next thing is to, okay, for this styling at the bottom, 4 inches by 13 inches. Okay, so see what I'm going to do in fixing it. I notched the 2 sides, okay, so as to get the exact center. So from this point, see, I'll fold this inside. I'll also fold some of this. So I'll use my hand to keep on. So once I show you this part, it's just for you to just fold it inside neatly. still stitch this. Okay, all right, so this is what we have. So the next thing I'm going to do is, if you've watched to this point and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to my channel. If you learned something today, subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button and click on all so that you get notified whenever we upload new videos. So if you want to become a professional bag maker and a profitable one, Tarron Innovative World is here to guide you. So subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on bag making and tips on bag making and how to become a profitable bag maker. Also, we have a class, a Telegram class, where we train our students that want to really go into bag making business. If you really have passion for bag making and you want to turn it into a business, you can call me, you can chat me up on the number. The number is on the screen. Okay, you can chat me. So my number is 08036588365. Although I'll be dropping it on the screen. You see it on the screen there. So send a WhatsApp message. Also join our membership on YouTube. Join our membership on YouTube so that you get you become a member. So now the next thing I'm going to be doing is, see, I'm going to fold it like this and I'm going to stitch it. I'm going to stitch here. So you may ask, what is the measurement? So what I just did is just measure 1.5 inches. So the next thing I will do is I'm going to cut this off and use lining or bias to bias this rough space. So I'll bias here and I could also bias this point. Okay, so alright guys, so let's see what we have. So with this, you can also make your own tote bag, and you could turn this into a business. Yes. So if your friends likes it, this can become a business for you. Okay, guys. So this is what we teach here on Tarron Innovative World channel. So guys, how do you see this? Comment in the comment section. Leave your comments in the comment section. Subscribe if you're yet to subscribe to this wonderful channel. Thank you so much for your time. Do not forget to like the video by clicking the thumbs up button. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Comment in the comment section. Subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Bye for now.